Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Techno Minute. In today's episode, we'll be doing a quick comparison between the Xiaomi Mi Band 2 and the newly released Xiaomi Mi Band 3. First off, let's start with the specs. Now both the Xiaomi Mi Band 2 and the Mi Band 3 feature a heart rate monitor, a built-in pedometer, but where they differ is in display size and battery life. The Mi Band 2 contains a 70 mAh battery and a 0.42-inch OLED display, whereas the Mi Band 3 boasts a 110 mAh battery as well as a larger 0.78-inch OLED display. Both claim up to 20 days of continuous use on a single charge, and while this is true of the Mi Band 2, it might not be true of the 3, but more on this later. Now the first thing you'll notice about the Mi Band 3 is the improved ergonomic design. It has a slightly larger footprint and rounded bezels, making it easier to see in day-to-day use. Its touch responsiveness also seems to be a bit quicker than the Mi Band 2, and quite frankly, it just looks a bit more aesthetically pleasing. So as I mentioned earlier, both devices claim up to 20 days of continuous use on the battery, and while this is true for the Mi Band 2, the Mi Band 3 fell short of this mark by about 4 to 5 days. This unfortunately is the result of a larger, more power-consuming display, and while there is a larger battery in the Mi Band 3, it just doesn't make up for the level of power consumption needed. Moving on to the back of the device, you can clearly see the heart rate monitors of both. The Mi Band 3 has an upgraded sensor that should give you more accurate sleep tracking results. Now, all of the software features that were present on the Mi Band 2 are still present on the Mi Band 3, and if you pair the band with your smartphone and the Mi Fit app, you'll get access to many more features. Given this, the question arises, what's so different about these devices? And apart from the addition of 5 ATM waterproofing of the Mi Band 3, which allows the device to be submerged up to 50 meters, there really isn't a lot. Because of the larger display, the Mi Band 3 can display the time better, and there are some extra software features, such as displaying the weather on the band, but that's about it. So then, is there a reason to upgrade from the Mi Band 2 to the Mi Band 3? Probably not. If you're comfortable with your Mi Band 2, then you're not going to need the Mi Band 3. However, if you do choose to purchase the Mi Band 3, it's pretty inexpensive, coming in at around $40 depending on where you buy it. Well, that seems to be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing. It's free. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more videos like this one. And until next time, peace.